Hey there friends, Sandra here. If you are a complete beginner or have no idea how to get started with making Instagram Reels, you're going to want to stick around and check this video out. So did you know that if you use short form videos or if you're making Instagram Reels, that your content is 3 times more likely to get seen on Instagram right now versus stories, versus lives, and versus stagnant photograph posts? Like, that is huge. So Reels are not going away. If anything, they're becoming more and more popular, more and more people are diving into them. Specifically, or if you are in a business niche, because you can customize it to your audience. You can make Reels for anything. It doesn't matter if you sell makeup, if you sell health and wellness products, if you own a boutique, a salon, maybe you're a coach or a fitness instructor. Like, the opportunities are seriously endless. But the number one question I get from my viewers all the time is, I really want to get started making Instagram Reels, but I just don't know what to do. This tutorial is going to be for you. I'm going to break it down. I'm going to share my screen with you. I'm going to actually create a very simple Instagram Reel with you while you're watching it, so that you can learn what all the buttons do and how you can best utilize the platform to start creating great content. So if you're ready, let's go. Instagram app looks like a camera, and I'm going to show you how to create a reel. So you're going to look for this plus sign, and you can see you can create a post, a story, a reel, or go live on Instagram. We want to create a reel. So you're going to hit that button, and let me flip myself around here. Hi. So first things first, I'm going to show you is, you see there's a music. This is your sounds. You can hit this if you want to change the length of your reel. If you want to increase your speed, you can do that there, or slow it down. These are the filters. This is kind of crazy. So you can look for trending filters. I actually have a few that I really like because lighting is absolute key when it comes to doing videos, short form videos. So if you find one that you like here's, you can just play around with it. I actually have some saved. So if you find some that you like, you can go and save them. So the one that I use the most, it's called the Glow. Notice how it completely changed me. So it actually has, you can change it around depending on what you like. I usually use 1 or 3. Let's use 1 today. So this is my filter. And so what I like to find these natural filters, because it can just, if you're facing a natural lighting window, the filter can make your face look a little bit brighter. Now, I will say, if you are in makeup, beauty, skincare, anything like that, you don't want to filter your face so much that it distorts the color of the products that you're selling. So sometimes that will make it brighter if you hit that little flash button up at the light. So what we're going to go ahead and do is show you actually the buttons on how to create a reel. So this round button down here is actually going to start and stop your video. So if you wanted to, let's see, what sounds do I have on here? I save sounds all the time. Let's see, let's go to my saved.
Are you new here?
Yeah. Okay, let's use this one.
Are you new here?
Yeah. You can drag and adjust the things of where you want the music to start and stop. So I kind of want to leave it the way that it is. So I'm going to hit done. It tells you this audio is 6 seconds long. So I'm going to actually go here.
Are you new here?
Yeah.
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 you new here?
So
Are you
1.8
here?
seconds. Set timer. Now when I hit the button, it is only going to record for 1.8 seconds. So you can either mouth the words or do something funny. This would be a great transition. So it's going to do a countdown of 3, 2, 1. And then I'm going to say, are you new here? Because this is just the sound that I'm picking. Okay, so here we go.
Are you new here?
Yeah. Okay. Pay attention to this align feature. If you are doing any kind of a transition, you can line yourself up. Let me grab some sunglasses really fast. Just to give you a different look, I'm grabbing my sunglasses. You can line up your face with this feature. This is fantastic for any kind of transition. So now what I'm going to do is double check. Yeah, right here. Timer. Yeah. Going to set my timer. Going to do the countdown 3, 2, 1 again.
Are you new here?
Yeah. It is just that simple. So if you're not ready to edit it, you can save it as a draft. Up here, I want you to just check. You can change your cover. You can move this around to be anything from your video. You can actually add a photo from a camera roll if you wanted to do that. The cover, I feel like, needs to be very enticing for people who are scrolling so that they will stop and look at your reel. But all you do is save it to drafts. Then you can go back and then edit your draft and post it at an optimal time for you. So I keep drafts in my reels all the time. I hope you found value in this easy tutorial. Feel free to follow me. I am the Sandra Hudson on Instagram. Okay, so hopefully you can see how easy and fun it was to make an Instagram reel. So if it was one time intimidating and you just didn't think you could do it because you didn't know what all the buttons did, this tutorial that we just went through, I'm hoping can get that out of your head, because you can do it. You can have fun. You can be successful and grow with Instagram Reels too. You just have to know a few of the basics. So I'm going to continue doing a course or series on Instagram Reels, and starting from the very, very beginning to what we just did, we're going to start going more into trends and transitions and things that you can really do to take your videos to the next level. But if you're still hanging out with us, I want to know your Instagram handle. So drop it in the comments below so I can go in and make sure that we all support one another, follow one another. I think that would be a really awesome way to get to know my viewers more. So you can find me on Instagram at the Sandra Hudson, and I look forward to meeting and connecting with you more. So if you have any questions, drop those in the comments below too, and I'll go back and answer them as soon as I can. But thank you so much for being here. Until next time.